Out in the sky, the great dark clouds are massing. I look far out into the pregnant night, where I can hear a solemn booming gun that tells me the ship I seek is passing, passing. My tearful eyes, my soul's deep hurt, are glassing, for I would hail and check that ship of ships. I would stretch out hands, cry aloud. My voice falls dead, a foot from thine own lips, and but its ghost doth reach that vessel, passing, passing, passing. O earth, O sky, O ocean, still surpassing, is there no hope for me? Is there no way that I might catch and check that speeding bark, which out of sight and sound are passing, passing?